Hi guys, today we're going to show you what to plant in your shady rain garden. So first question is, what is a rain garden? It's basically an area where you can direct some water or flow off your roof that comes in downpours with your rain and can feed your bed, your garden bed. Here what we're going to do is direct some water from our downspout off our roof and back of our house and move it, basically create a little bit of a tiny drainage ditch, or basically just directing the water around a bed that we have around an oak tree back here. Very shady space. We are going to be planting wild edibles back here, and some we got from our friend Nobby, who does our foraging classes, and some other edibles that we have from around our property. We're going to put the first plants in, although we'll probably be adding to this as the season goes. I have a few things that are sitting in rooting hormone, so some cuttings of spice bush that we'd like to plant back here, but we need to get that rooted first and then we'll transplant them into the bed back here. So let's get started with directing the water. Rocks, yep. I'm getting the rocks to bring over to my ditch.
Oh, that's so cute. Look,
Putting the rocks in the swale.
okay.
And it's not working?
No.
I'll show you. So you hold it like this. One hand up here, and one hand this down there. You go sideways like that. There we go. You just get a little bit at a time. Do you think you could do that? Put your hand all the way around there, like that. Oh,
You did it. That's
Whoa.
a big shovel for you.
probably a 5-year-old shovel
Yes.
rather than a 2-year-old shovel.
Yes.
You got some. Good job.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, it's hard work. You can help. You can help too.
Got my big shovel.
You got your big shovel. Can you get some rocks? Uh-oh. Lost them?
Yeah.
Why don't you use your hands? Grab handfuls of rocks.
Okay.
Put them in the... Do you see where I'm putting them?
Yeah.
Good job. planted some things along our waterway. Show you what we have so far. We have strawberries, Dame's Rocket.
It all again.
You plant these.
What are they called?
Dame's Rocket.
Oh,
They're really good eating right now because they're tender.
and
And this grow like even December. The leaves are, you can find it in the
Wow.
snow.
Some dead nettle that was here already. Over here, we have some trout lilies. I'm thinking this will be a very wet section for them. We have some chickweed that got shifted. We have some spring beauty over there. Over there, we have some leeks, wild leeks that is, ramps. We have some homewort.
Whoa, nice chunk.
which one's that?
Homeward.
Over here we have some shepherd's purse, and we have some pepperweed. More spring beauty here. And a dandelion growing here that volunteered itself. We have some violets right here. Back there we have some daylilies that I transplanted. We have a volunteer brassica, I'm not sure what type, but part of a chicken forage blend. Right there we have burdock. Over here, some blue cohosh. That's cohosh
Cohosh, blue cohosh.
and spice bush that Mike took cuttings of.
Yep.
So we'll see what takes and what doesn't like it. The other thing I could put in here are some ostrich ferns. Maybe I'll get some of those a little bit later in the season and put in here. I could also get some hostas. Those are edible as well to put in here. So far so good. Comment below what you would plant in a shady rain garden in your area. And if you like to support us, please join us over on Patreon, where you can support us monthly if you prefer. Thanks, we'll see you with our next one. And we may be growing some Great Danes as well. You blend in there, Puddin'. Is that a good place to nap?